started. Best friend forever. 있을 땐 스트레스 아무도 모르는 내 모습 보여줄 수 있는 너는 best of 잠시 얼굴이나 보자 어디든 간에 yeah. 조금 멀어도 좋아 우리한테 왜 얼굴에 몸으로 breaking was on the bed 어디가 잘났어 쉽죠 지금 이루어도 지만 잡아만해 지금은 모든 우산이 되어질 테니까 everyday I can feel it you all day 어디 때마다 day by day For the second stage. Are you all having a good time right now? Yes, I see that. Okay. We hope everyone is having full of joy in this moment. Okay, anyone in Treasure Maker? Here, the Doyoung wants to say something very special only to yours.
Right.
Doyoung, first Doyoung.
Doyoung.
Okay, tell us.
Very special words. Let's go. Let's go.
Apa bedanya internet sangat tua. Kalau internet 4G, kalau internet for me.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
What the? Yeah, so, Treasure Maker, let us know some special words in Indonesian. Special word in Indonesian for us. Word. Put your hands up. Word.
Word, please. Word. Who wanted? Who wanted recommendation from the word? Special thing.
Okay, let's see.
Yo. Food was set. Yo. Okay, over there, the man. Okay. Yeah,
안녕하세요. 아빠 카파.
If you like sweet food, you should take gudeg.
Oh,
Gudeg.
what?
It's a sweet food.
Not a food, the word.
It's okay. It's okay.
천천히 하세요.
The second one is a food.
월.
Do you know gacha?
어제.
This one. Menyala abangku.
What does it mean?
Like Bultara Ryung.
You. Menyala abangku.
문얄라 아방쿠.
Means like that's it. Alright, that's fine. Alright, good. Okay.
도영이
Make a
형이
recommendation. Okay.
Thank
And
you.
then this.
And then what about food? Oh, food.
What about backside?
Yeah. Okay. 메뉴 추천. 제 마이크는 안 돼요.